Well, the redhead there, she said, once the kids go down for bed and everything, we're going to get hot and heavy in this house. And by hot, mostly she just meant that the heater was going to be on and it's a very small house. And by heavy, she meant this thing, this giant behemoth of a machine. Oh, man, I was really looking forward to some other kind of hot and heavy this weekend, but you take what you can get. This thing is huge, by the way. Did I mention that it's big? It is like holding the title now for single largest object in the house. Me and the refrigerator have had to take second and third place respectively on account of there's a new kid in town, and it is large. I mean, I'm running out of adjectives. This was insane. Good thing that there was beer on hand for me, and good thing the redhead there is halfway handy herself, so we were able to get this thing done in, only like an hour and a half. It was needlessly complicated to assemble, and it's needlessly complicated itself. Do you see the screen on this thing? It is bigger than our television. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. But we got it done, by golly. We got it all put together, and then she started pushing buttons and playing with her big giant-ass screen. And she was just happier than a redhead that has to walk in the great out of doors. You know how horrible that is. I mean, if you even knew how expensive it was to walk in your home these days, it is quite intense. And the other cool thing is that she's definitely going to knock that light down. But I think she's happy with her new toy.